The meaning of suffix TUDE. The suffix TUDE means state of, condition of. TUDE is used to form abstract nouns. Before considering 7 illustrated sentence examples, here's a quick reminder. Continually improve your English. Click the subscribe button, the bell icon, and then all. Now let's look at some examples of words with the suffix TUDE. First, aptitude. Definition: a natural ability to do something, state of being capable. The picture shows a young man standing in front of a canvas. Sentence example: after taking a few art classes, he realized he had an aptitude for painting. In other words, he had a natural ability. Next, attitude. Definition: a manner or way of thinking or feeling about something. The picture shows a little girl in hospital receiving treatment for cancer. Sentence example: her positive attitude was an inspiration to all who knew her. In other words, the way she thought and felt about her medical condition encouraged many others. Next, fortitude. Definition: state of courage, bravery, and strength. In the picture we see a poster for the famous movie Schindler's List, with an inset of Oskar Schindler, the man who inspired the movie. Sentence example: Schindler's List is a 1993 historical drama film which follows the life of Oskar Schindler, a German industrialist who showed great fortitude in saving the lives of 1,200 Jews during the Holocaust. So Oskar Schindler showed great courage and strength, risking his life to save others. Next, gratitude. Definition: state of being grateful, thankfulness, readiness to show appreciation for. The picture shows an elderly woman in a quiet moment of reflection. The sentence reads, she wakes up every morning with an attitude of gratitude, appreciating the small blessings that often go unnoticed. In other words, this lady takes time to think about all the things in her life she can be thankful for. Next, multitude. Definition: a large number of people or things, great numbers. This is an image by the Hubble Space Telescope of the spiral galaxy NGC 4414. Sentence example: pictures from outer space reveal not just a countless number of stars, but also a vast multitude of galaxies. Using the word vast before the word multitude, which means a large number, gives added emphasis. Next, solitude. Definition: state or situation of being alone. The picture shows a woman standing alone on the seashore, looking out to sea. Sentence example: she stood in quiet solitude, contemplating the recent events in her life. In other words, she took advantage of this quiet time when she was alone to do some serious thinking. Finally, vicissitude. Definition: a change of circumstances or fortune, the ups and downs of life, variation. The picture shows a senior citizen smiling with a thumbs up. Sentence example: having a positive attitude helped him through all the vicissitudes of life. So remaining optimistic and positive helped him to deal successfully with many changes in circumstances and ups and downs during his life. So remember, the suffix TUDE means the state or condition of someone or something. The 7 examples we considered were aptitude, attitude, fortitude, gratitude, multitude, solitude, vicissitude. Has this video helped you? Then like, share or comment now. And build a powerful English vocabulary with my free course on Udemy. Go to goodenglish.online.